साथियों, प्रिविलेज के बजाय हम प्रोफेशनलिज्म को प्रमोट करने पर बल दे रहे हैं। लेटरल एंट्री, और आप में से बहुत लोग हैं जो इस बात को मानते हैं कि भाई एक आईएएस हो गया तो सारी दुनिया वही जानता है, ये सोच ठीक नहीं है। समाज में बहुत प्रतिभावान लोग होते हैं, इतना बड़ा देश चलाने के लिए वो भी कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाहते हैं, उनको अवसर मिलना चाहिए। और उस अवसर देने के लिए हमने एक मैकेनिज्म विशेष डेवलप किया है ताकि, और वो भी ऑर्गेनाइज वे में, सरकार के बीम पर नहीं, यूपीएससी की प्रोसेस से। और देश से मैंने देखा है एक 2-2 करोड़ के पैकेज से काम करने वाले नौजवान सामान्य तनख्वाह लेकर के 2 साल 3 साल देश को देने के लिए सरकारी व्यवस्था में आने के लिए तैयार हो रहे हैं। कुछ हमने शुरुआत की है।
On 17th August, UPSC, or the Union Service Public Commission, issued this advertisement. The advertisement welcomes applications for 45 joint secretaries, directors, and deputy secretaries positions across 24 central ministries through lateral entry on a contract basis or deputation. This has kicked off a political storm. But what is lateral entry into bureaucracy? And why does the centre want lateral entries? What's the stand of major stakeholders? And why the opposition is up in arms? In this video, we will answer all those questions, so keep watching. As per Rahul Gandhi, lateral entry is an attack on the constitution by recruiting public servants through Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh or RSS instead of Union Public Service Commission. Rahul Gandhi is also of the opinion that the reservation of SC, ST and OBC categories is being openly snatched by recruiting through lateral entry on important posts in various ministries of the central government. BSP chief and former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Mayawati also flayed the decision, saying employees working on lower positions will be deprived of the benefit of promotion because of this policy. She also said that if the people of SC, ST and OBC categories are not given an appointment in proportion to their quota in those government appointments, then it will be a direct violation of the constitution. Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav was also critical of the decision. He said the time has come to launch a nationwide movement against the conspiracy being hatched by the BJP to place its ideological allies in high government positions through the back door in UPSC. For those of you who aren't familiar with what is lateral entry, Niti Aayog in 2017, in its 3-point agenda, had suggested the induction of personnel at middle and senior management levels in the central government on contract. These lateral entries from various sectors with specializations in various areas will be part of the Central Secretariat. So far, the Central Secretariat only had civil servants hired through the All India Services or Central Civil Services. However, unlike those hired through an entrance exam, the lateral entrants are to be hired on contract for 3 years. The tenure is extendable up to 5 years. The first round of hirings under the scheme began in 2018. A total of 6,077 applications for joint secretary level positions were received by the UPSC in 2018. At the end of the selection process, the UPSC recommended 9 individuals for appointment to 9 different ministries in 2019. Another round of lateral recruitments was advertised in 2021. 2 more rounds were advertised in May 2023. As per data shared in the Parliament, 63 appointments have been made through lateral entry in the last 5 years. Presently, 57 officers hired through lateral entry occupy positions in various ministries and departments. One of the major reasons behind the controversies is the fact that in the positions advertised, there is no provision for application of reservations. Apart from that, another argument made against this method of recruitment is that while UPSC aspirants spend years in preparation and wade through massive odds to make the cut for UPSC, these appointments do not have such requirements. In response, the BJP pointed out that the concept of lateral entry was developed during the Congress-led UPA. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav claimed that the Second Administrative Reform Commission, or ARC, chaired by Congress leader Veerappa Moily, recommended lateral recruitment to fill gaps in roles requiring specialized knowledge first. Minister Vaishnav also defended the government's implementation of lateral entry by saying that the recruitment process is transparent and conducted through the UPSC.